The eyeshadow palette party prop isn't just a colorful accessory, it's the star of the show, instantly drawing everyone's attention and making the event visually stunning. The large decorative palette looks impressive, unique, and very photogenic. It instantly creates an atmosphere of fashion, glamour, creativity, and girlish delight. This prop is perfect for fashion shows, photo zones, contests, and stylish entertainment programs. With the eyeshadow palette, you can easily act out scenes about makeup, beauty, transformation, and creating a look. It makes the presentation brighter, more modern, and more luxurious looking. This is a prop that doesn't just decorate the event, it turns it into a spectacular show with atmosphere, style, and a wow factor from the very first seconds.